What an interesting day for the Shiba Inu community. The volatility is through the roof. Shiba Inu is slowly recovering, but something massive just dropped by the Coinbase CEO, and this could potentially send the Shiba Inu price skyrocket. Analysts are dropping their signals. Massive $20 trillion is being questioned. Will this start the dream bull run for Shiba Inu? Or is this something else? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Oh, what a wild and unexpected day for Shiba Inu. The price took a bit of a dip, and for a moment, it seemed like things might get shaky. Some traders started to worry, thinking a bigger drop was on the way. But just as quickly as it fell, Shiba Inu bounced right back up, wiping out all the losses from earlier. And not just that, it even climbed a little higher than before. The community went from holding its breath to breathing a sigh of relief. Investors who were on edge are now feeling a surge of confidence, and that nervous energy from earlier? Almost gone. Instead of panic, there's excitement. Instead of doubt, there's optimism. It's like the atmosphere just flipped, and now the sentiment around Shiba Inu is stronger than ever. Bulls are stepping up, and the energy in the market is electric. And here's the thing. Lucy, the lead Shiba Inu marketer, just gave some insight into all this wild price movement. She pointed out that the market dip after the crypto reserve announcement wasn't exactly shocking if you really think about it. Big moves like this happen all the time, but they don't change the bigger picture. Crypto's future is still shining bright. Adoption isn't just possible, it's bound to happen. And that's where Shiba Inu comes in. It's not just another token riding the waves of the market. It's part of something bigger. With a strong community and constant development, Shiba Inu is pushing forward no matter what the market throws at it. Volatility comes and goes, but what really matters is where things are headed. And for Shiba Inu, the road ahead looks stronger than ever. But here's the crazy part. There's a wild rumor going around in the Shiba Inu community. Some are speculating that the UAE might actually create a Shiba Inu reserve. Yeah, you heard that right. A well-known crypto expert recently shared his thoughts, predicting that the UAE is planning to launch a crypto reserve, and guess what? He believes it'll hold a massive amount of Shiba Inu. Now, he didn't give any timeline or explain exactly why he thinks this will happen, but the idea has been spreading fast, and the community is buzzing about it. What makes this speculation even more interesting is that Shiba Inu already has a solid relationship with the UAE government. Earlier this year, the country teamed up with Shiba Inu to integrate its technology into its governance and public services. This was a huge deal because it was the first time the UAE adopted blockchain at a national level, and they specifically chose Shiba Inu over other big-name crypto projects. With that kind of trust already in place, it's no surprise that some experts believe Shiba Inu could be included in a future crypto reserve if the UAE decides to launch one. Whether it's just speculation or something actually brewing behind the scenes, one thing's for sure, the Shiba Inu community is keeping a close eye on this one. But wait, hear me out first. I know this sounds crazy, but there's a lot of even crazier stuff I'm going to reveal later on. However, there's the catch. I hate to say it, but analysts are pointing out that Shiba Inu is at a critical moment right now. It's been struggling to hold its spot among the top 20 cryptocurrencies. And if things don't turn around soon, it could slip out of the rankings. The recent market dip has shaken things up, and with bearish patterns forming, Shiba Inu has felt the pressure. Right now, a big chunk of holders are in the red, while only a smaller portion is still making profits. And while some are breaking even, the majority are waiting for a turnaround. The challenge? There are some major resistance levels ahead, with billions, yes, billions, of Shiba Inu tokens sitting at key price zones. To push higher, the market needs to gain momentum, and Shiba Inu has to break through these barriers. The good news? If it manages to do that, things could shift fast. Analysts believe that reclaiming certain price levels could open the door for bigger gains, setting Shiba Inu up for a strong comeback. But for now, the battle continues, and all eyes are on whether the bulls have enough strength to turn things around. But wait, something massive just happened. Coinbase's CEO just dropped a bombshell, and this could be a serious game-changer for Shiba Inu. As you've all known, days ago, it was announced that the strategic crypto reserve in the United States, Brian Armstrong called it a historic day for crypto, and he wasn't exaggerating. The US is stepping up in a way we haven't seen before, making moves that could reshape the entire crypto industry. And that's not all. Regulations are becoming clearer, making it easier for crypto to grow without the uncertainty that's held it back for years. This isn't just about Bitcoin. A shift like this impacts the entire crypto market, including Shiba Inu. When governments take crypto more seriously, it strengthens confidence in the space, attracts more investors, and creates opportunities for projects like Shiba Inu to expand. A regulated, stable environment means fewer roadblocks, more mainstream adoption, and a stronger foundation for long-term growth. Coinbase itself is doubling down on crypto's future, announcing plans to expand its operations in a huge way. The company is set to bring in thousands of new employees this year alone, which means more innovation, better infrastructure, and increased support for digital assets. This kind of aggressive expansion signals just how confident Coinbase is in where crypto is heading. And when a major exchange like Coinbase is all in, it sends a ripple effect throughout the market. For Shiba Inu, this could be the beginning of something huge. A more stable, regulated crypto landscape means easier integration into mainstream finance, higher adoption rates, and a stronger ecosystem overall. With everything falling into place, the US embracing crypto, Coinbase growing at an insane pace, and institutional interest increasing, Shiba Inu could be on the verge of something big. The market is evolving fast, and those who are paying attention know that this is just the beginning. But wait, this might just be the tip of the iceberg because another big name just made a massive prediction. Bitwise CIO Matt Hougan believes Bitcoin is heading for a $20 trillion valuation, eventually surpassing gold as the world's top store of value. With the US now building a strategic Bitcoin reserve and institutional confidence soaring, he sees Bitcoin's market cap exploding over the next decade. And here's why this matters even more. Shiba Inu has already proven time and time again that its price is closely tied to Bitcoin. Wherever Bitcoin goes, Shiba Inu isn't far behind. So, when analysts start throwing around a $20 trillion market cap prediction for Bitcoin, it's not just about Bitcoin making a massive 12x move. That kind of surge would likely pull Shiba Inu up with it, and could potentially have its 12x move too. We've seen this pattern play out before. When Bitcoin pumps, Shiba Inu doesn't just sit back. It moves too, sometimes even outperforming it in percentage gains. This is why so many holders are paying close attention to Bitcoin's trajectory. If the top crypto really does climb to that insane valuation, history suggests that Shiba Inu won't just follow, it could see an explosion of its own. And if that happens, the dream price that so many investors are hoping for could actually come into play. But here's the real kicker. Remember how we mentioned before that Shiba Inu devs are being idle lately? Well, what if the Shiba Inu devs step in and start dropping major surprises? What if they've decided to break the silence? Things could get crazier easily. We've already seen how big moves like the UAE embracing Shiba Inu's technology can boost confidence. Imagine if the devs finally deliver game-changing updates, whether it's a new burn mechanism, a major partnership, or a breakthrough for Shibarium. That kind of momentum, combined with Bitcoin's rise and growing adoption, could send Shiba Inu's price soaring even higher. At that point, we might not just be talking about gains. We could be looking at another zero disappearing from the price. It's all about timing, and if everything lines up perfectly, Shiba Inu holders could be in for an even bigger ride than expected. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. Analysts are dropping signals on where Shiba Inu's price could be headed. And let's just say, the hype is real. A lot of holders have their eyes set on that dream number, the one that would push Shiba Inu into an entirely new level. To get there, the price would need to skyrocket more than 7,000%, which sounds wild. But some experts actually believe it's possible under the right conditions. Over the past year, analysts have pointed to moments where Shiba Inu looked primed for a breakout, whether it was breaking key chart patterns, seeing major whale accumulation, or riding the wave of a full-blown crypto rally. And here's the thing. If Bitcoin keeps climbing, if institutional investors keep piling in, and if the overall market catches fire like it has in past bull runs, Shiba Inu could ride that wave. Some analysts have even said this explosive move could happen sooner than people expect. But as of right now, we're still waiting for that moment to arrive. And the real question is, will it be enough to push Shiba Inu all the way to that next milestone? That's still up in the air. At the end of the day, nobody knows exactly when or if Shiba Inu will hit that price goal. But one thing's for sure, it's still one of the most closely watched cryptos out there. If the right catalysts line up, if momentum builds at the perfect time, and if the market goes wild, then who knows? We might just see something incredible happen. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.